Reliable performance, precise roll form design ensures consistent and optimal factory-installed preload to minimize excessive noise and wear. Extended service life, application-specific advanced raceway design reduces stress, rotation and heat on components. Keeps water and dirt out, quad lip seal design inhibits damage by keeping moisture and other contaminants out. Easy to install, engineered and designed for fast, hassle-free installation. Corrosion protection, coated wheel studs resist corrosion and rust for easier removal and proper torquing. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. MOOG 515122. Front wheel hub assembly. 2009-2010 Dodge Ram 2500, 2009, 2010 Dodge Ram 2500 and 2011 Ram 2500 fits 4WD vehicles only for RWD vehicles. Use 515123, 2009, 2010 Dodge Ram 3500 and 2011 Ram 3500 fits 2-door and 4-door cab and chassis. Fits 4WD vehicles with 2-door standard cab pickup and 4-door extended crew cab pickup. For RWD vehicles with 2-door standard cab pickup and 4-door extended crew cab pickup, use 515123. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy. If you're going to be biased about certain products, then you might skip over some really good stuff. A lot of people seem to badmouth MOOG, but my stuff came in neatly packaged and work better than expected. Yes, there's foreign manufacturers now, but they still back their product 100% and overall way better than OHM. Highly recommend for the price.